You know you could do this. It's super easy. What's going on, YouTube? So we're getting to the end of June here, and I think we're at the end of growing season #1 when it comes to hot weather plants. So as you see here, I've got a tomato that I've sliced up. I got some seedlings over here in an old milk carton that I had a friend give me. And I've got some transplants. And the reason I thought of this is I was at the box store the other day, and I could not believe the exorbitant money that people pay for plants. And I thought, you know, there's got to be a better way, right? And this is all about, you know, self-sufficiency and whatnot. But essentially, you know, I've got my Romas here that I've started in the beginning of the season, and I took one that was pretty ripe, and I made slices, and I put the slices in the dirt, and this just covered it lightly with dirt. And here I've got seedlings, and this is, you know, a couple weeks removed, but here I have transplants that I moved over to solo cups. And eventually what I'm going to do is rip out my old plants. They're about 6 months old. The heat stress on them has been really tough. The Romas I have are semi-indeterminate, so I'll still get some growth, but some of my other plants, they're getting towards the end of life cycle, and I want to start afresh. So I'm going to rip those out, and I'm going to put these transplants in. But essentially, you know, I just want to show you that, yeah, you can take pretty much any tomato that's mature and has seeds in it, put it in a container with dirt, keep it moist, and you're going to get some growth out of that. And then eventually you can take those plants, once they get big enough, put them in solo cups or just put them where you want to grow, and get a season #2 out of them. So give it a shot. You got nothing to lose, right? Other than maybe, you know, $5 at a box store, if not more. So give it a shot. The bottom line is everything I grow I start from seed. It's super easy. It doesn't cost me that much money. Seeds are way cheaper than trying to buy a potted plant at a store. But anyway, I appreciate you stopping by. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you around. See you.